After watching movies like Inception, Avatar, Three Idiots, have you ever thought ki how was this film industry started? Or what was the world's first movie? In this video, we are going to answer these questions और जानेंगे कि motion picture का क्या concept था. You're watching Weirdhomb YouTube channel. Before knowing how film industry started, we should first know how was movie filmed at the beginning. A film is actually a lot of images in motion. और इन सिंपल वर्ड्स, जब कई सारी इमेजेस आपकी आंखों के सामने से सेकंड के 5वें हिस्से से भी कम टाइम में चल रही हो, तो आपके आईज उन फ्रेम्स के बीच वाली ब्लैक स्क्रीन्स को नहीं देख पाती है और आपको वो एक मोशनल पिक्चर जैसे लगने लगता है. नाउ हमने समझ लिया है कि हाउ फिल्म्स वर मेड, तो अब समझते हैं कि हाउ दिस फिल्म इंडस्ट्री वॉज ओरिजिनेटेड. World's first movie was actually not a movie but a 2.1 second filmed named Round Hay Garden Scene. It was the world's earliest surviving film produced in a motion picture camera by Louis Le Prince in 1888. If we are talking about the origin of films, how can we forget about the world's first motion picture projector, kinetoscope? In 1891, the inventor Thomas Alva Edison, together with William Dickson, a laboratory assistant, came out with what they called kinetoscope. Kinetoscope was a cabinet with a window through which an individual viewer could experience the illusion of a moving image. Now, if we talk about world's first commercial movie, it was workers leaving the Lumiere factory. It was a very short movie, less than a minute, depicting workers leaving the family's photographic instrument factory at the end of the day. And from then, movie industry took a head start and now we are watching one of the best possible forms of movies. So here's the end of the video. This was our 9th video of our series, How Did It Started? If you want to watch the whole series, click on that I button. अगर आपको ये वीडियो इन्फॉर्मेटिव लगा तो सब्सक्राइब Weirdhomb and leave a like.